Hello everyone. So I wanted to share a story with you. So it was normal day in my office and I was making some changes to the code, and after testing it I post the code to the live server, and only to find out that the build process is not working, like it's failing. And I had no idea because I just tested it on my local system and it was working fine. And also this is not the first time I'm pushing code to the server, and also I did not change anything related to server configuration files. So it was surprised that why it is failing. So I did what most people would do. I started rolling back to the previous state, like and to my surprise now their code also not working over there. So I was completely in shock. So I started debugging from scratch, like anything that coming into my mind, like what could cause the issue. After searching on Stack Overflow, using the Chat GPT or all these AI tools, like what could cause this issue. Also, while maintaining the like document where I was writing everything, like what are the solutions that I'm trying and what are the errors that I'm getting, so that it would be easier for someone else to help me, so that I can tell them that hey, these are the things that I have already tried and these are the issues that I'm facing. You know what I mean? So finally, after like 2 days of struggle, I finally solved the issue and it was working fine. And now that solution was working fine, cannot explain the feeling of proud that I got after solving the issue. And most importantly, I got to learn so many new and in-depth concepts about Docker and Elasticsearch that I feel more confident in them now because of the issue. So I guess the phrase is right, that true learning happens while debugging the code. And the reason I'm sharing this story with you is that on the LinkedIn, I have read so many posts about that, how someone changed the one line of code and it broke the server, and how some intern pushed the code to the server and it broke the application entirely. And I used to think, how is this even possible? Like, tested it on local system, then how can it break on the server? Like, because there will be a same environment, right? Now that I faced this issue on my own, and now I realize that how wrong I was. So I wanted to tell the world that now officially I am a software engineer because I achieved my first milestone of breaking the server. But seriously, if you're stuck in a problem and you have no idea how to solve this problem, try to keep the notes and try to write it down, like what are the solutions you are trying and what are the issues you are getting, and try to document it, because it will help someone else. When you ask for help, you can help, like attach this document also, and you can let them know that these are the solutions you have tried till now and what are the issues you're facing, so it will be easier for them to help you. And do not be afraid to ask for help. The issue will be solved because it's not the end of the world. The issue always gets solved by some senior developer, but try for yourself first and see, because you will learn a lot. Don't be this guy where you don't even try. Trust me, go deep down, because this is how you learn something. Because trust me, I thought I knew Docker before I got this issue, but trust me, after debugging this code, I am more confident in Docker and Elasticsearch and Python that I was like before. That's it in this video. I wanted to say that if you genuinely want to learn something and want to feel confident, break something and then try to resolve the issues, and while resolving the issues, learn about new concept. This is how you learn and this is how you grow in the industry. So yeah, that's it in this video. Thank you so much and have a nice day, guys.